AhHa Broadway vocal tips. Today's vocal tip is going to be a part 1 of 2. So today we're going to focus on numbers going up. So I hope that you can count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to use the lessons that we had in previous videos. So if you haven't watched the yawn breath video or the breathing challenge video or the diction and enunciation and pronouncing words clearly video, I think that you should go and review those. Then you'll be all prepared to do this. So today we're going to sing on a pitch. That's the pitch, the sound of the note. And we're going to count. We're going to go 1, then 1, 2, and then backwards. So 1, 1, 2, 1. So I'm going to do it like this. You can also see the notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay? So this is how it goes. Just listen the first time. 1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can do this too. If you can sing, if you can count to 8, and if you can use your brain, it'll happen, I promise. So we're going to use the things that we've talked about before. Breathing, because you have to have a good breath to work on this exercise. Your brain has to be warmed up. Your voice has to be warmed up. And the muscle memory that we talked about before is going to kick in for all of these things. So let's try it again together. One more time. And you can go faster as you get better as well. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? But today we're going slow because it's brand new. Ready? And 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's counting up to 8 and back. 1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. And guess what part 2 is going to be? Backwards. We're going to start from the top and go backwards. So practice this, practice, practice. Get better. Practice makes perfect. Have fun, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Have a great day and be good to people. Thank you.